I am going to go and work out with my friend Laly, and she is a trainer. She also has a YouTube channel, so I'm gonna put that down below so you can check her out. She does a ton of workout videos, but for now, I'm gonna go and work out. Brought my little tripod so I can record it, and stay tuned for this video. Hey guys, so Laly and I are going to do a workout video. She is a trainer, so we're going to make some great YouTube videos for you guys so you can do workouts at home. And we're not going to use gym equipment, so this is a workout you could do at home. Let's get into it! Yes! And it's only like what, 10 o'clock and we already have our workout
imagine that, mis amores. We got the workout done, we're sweaty, we feel great. Make sure that you guys have some water, stretch a little bit.
Go have some eggs and coffee, whatever you want to do.
Your protein, your aminos, and you'll be fine and ready for the day.
Alright guys, let us know what you think in the comments. Like and subscribe to my channel, Laly's channel.
See, please, Lalita Wellness here.
And if you want to see more content with Laly, please leave a comment. Let us know.
Same
Tell us
here.
what you want to see.
Please,
we'll do it.
Do.
Well, you know, most of the time. Let's not get crazy.
We have some boundaries.
We do.